In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download artifacts from Claude AI. If you've used Claude to generate code snippets, documents, or diagrams, you've probably seen them appear as artifacts or in the response panel. Saving those results to your computer only takes a moment, and I will walk you through exactly what to click so you can keep a clean, offline copy. First, open the specific artifact pane that contains the item you want. This is the panel dedicated to a single artifact, and it shows a small toolbar along the top. Make sure you are looking at the correct artifact, especially if your conversation produced several versions, so you don't download the wrong one. Next, look for the button labeled Copy. Right beside it, here is a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down and choose Download as HTML. HTML is a great choice because it preserves the layout and styling, and it opens in any web browser without extra software. It's perfect for sharing, reviewing, or archiving your work. If your artifact includes code blocks, tables, or diagrams, this format keeps them legible and properly styled, so the file looks close to what you saw inside Claude. When your browser prompts you, save it to your computer. Pick a folder you use for projects, give the file a clear name you'll recognize later, and confirm the file extension ends in HTML. If your browser saves files automatically, check your Downloads folder. If you see any pop-up blockers, allow the download so it completes. On repeated downloads with the same name, your browser may append a number to prevent overwriting, which you can rename later if you like. That's all there is to it for artifacts. Here is also a quick option whenever Claude generates content directly in the right face-side panel during a chat. In the corner of that window, look for the download icon and arrow pointing down into a box. Clicking that icon saves the visible output, which is handy for lightweight code samples, short documents, or diagrams you want immediately. Use this when you don't need the full artifact pane and just want a fast export. A couple of closing tips to keep things tidy: organize your downloads by project or date so you can find them quickly, and consider versioning your file names if you are iterating. After saving, you can open the HTML file in your browser to confirm everything looks as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.